Then dead, yo, watch your people. Yes, people, so you don't know me out here again. Now it's all about what go on Dalvy. So hill settings, me go right, so me go take a link up. I call it a link up with my cousins them and thing and see where them and what's up. You know idea. So follow me and watch what I go on. Just a little link up. So what I go on that is after fruits are there keep it after all. Fruit chopping it now. With apple. Just we make apple juice on the side. No one mother make all apple juice or a greater coconut, they all take out piece of coconut. I take out one apple them. That me do. Take out. Take two. Apple. Show you what I go on. Show you so we make juice. Real apple juice nice. You got that now, people. I make some apple juice. We'll show the waste over there, so. Then we have a good one, the man. Great up, a good one, the man. So, what going on, man?
Juice in my body, yeah. Juice keep your body healthy and strong, so you thick. Yeah, man, up top. Natural apple juice with ginger, you know?
Apple juice, ready up. Watch it. Apple juice in the healthy old paper. Apple juice. Yeah, man, I eat that paper, apple juice.
See the sweet pine, country pine that you know well sweet and nice.
It's not well sweet, it kind of sour. You see me make up my face and I can't tell live on the camera.
Up top, you know? Not
Yeah.
pine, you know?
Put you in a kind of people video.